I'm always saving. Like, always save your steps. So if you get done with rendering, save. If you get done with something, save. If you're not done with it, save. Save. Always. Let's add some darker regions here and some darker regions over here. The darker the area, the farther back in space it will go. To the point where you might want to tone it down, because your richest blacks should always be in an area that you want to take heat over. Like, let's say I went like this. That's pretty interesting as far as the blank, no eye look goes. But I think what would be even better is if I took the kneaded eraser, take off protected tones, and sort of cut that blackness back around the outside edges. This will make the socket even deeper. When I go in here to take my sketch brush and add more and more and more black to the very, very depths of this eye socket, it'll leave it with a kind of a vacant stare look. And if I want only the eyes to be prominent, that's when I start touching base on this stuff right here with the kneaded eraser and start knocking these black values back. Now, the only issue with this is the black values are on several different layers. So here's my next process. When I get done rendering maybe this little entire area, I will go in and take this out of the equation and this out of the equation, and you must do this one step. Take your sketch brush and make a little tiny kind of triangle up here in the corner, right here, 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 and here. Okay, we can get rid of them later. I call these placeholders, okay, because what I can do now is take this entire area and edit, copy, merge, edit, paste. So that what that did is made an entire renderer of, or a render of these two layers into one layer. This one layer now I can mess with without even worrying about messing it up, because I have backup copies. Okay, and that would be these two layers. So if I turn this one off and turn these two on, I have the essential same thing as having this one on. Cool? I'll probably do that like a dozen times throughout my illustrations. Okay, so now that it's all on one layer, I can start knocking these values of black back a little bit in areas that I do not need black. Black should only be used, if any, some would say not at all, but if any, just in the very, very, very depths of cracks and stuff. It wouldn't be on outline, that's for sure. And once you start doing this, you're going to really see your drawings pop out. As I do this, just watch the eyes on it. It's just amazing, the difference. Alright, there we go. See how it just blended that right back in the background, and it only left what I need in the foreground. So I might go in here and place a little black in the nostrils. It's good to have little blacks every once in a while, like, you know, black here, a little tiny black here. This mouth area, you know, that might have a couple black lines in here. Bits of black to pull it together. And I'll find areas around the drawing that need little bits of black. This will cause the eye to travel around more in your drawings. Cool. Okay, so in the next video, a little bit of touch up on the form. I'm seeing some unbalance, and I want to show you a little trick.